Hi and welcome to another tutorial. This time it's less a tutorial than it's 3 tips how you can make a report or pimp up your report. But first, introduction. My name is Kathrin. I'm managing partner at Yoda BI, founder of Colors of Fabric and Power Platform user group. You can find if I have tutorials, all related stuff on GitHub, so data sets, measures, and so on. For this time, I guess you don't need it because it is more in a generic way how you can pimp your report. You can write me an email if you want, go on my webpage, follow me on LinkedIn and YouTube. And yeah, so let's start with our 3 tips. So first, maybe it looks familiar to you. Maybe you have a report which looks maybe the same or maybe a bit different. Let me load my data. Only takes a minute. Not really, 30 seconds, I guess. So, okay, but still, if you look at the report, you see there is a lot of stuff going on. So you have a lot of measures, you have different colors, you have a bit of structure with these lines here, but you can't see the main point here on this page, right? Or if you see it, please write in the comment what you see on this original page, what could be the focus area here. So my first tip would be, let's check here. I would say the first thing we have to focus on a specific area. For example, spendings on grocery. Okay, so very important. I can't stress this that enough. Use headers. Headers are important, so everyone knows. Okay, this is about this and this, and that's why I put here the header. So of course it will be later on the top, but hope you understand that. So that you have to think about what will be your focus area on this page, and don't put too much visuals in it, and don't change the visuals every time. So you don't need 5 different kind of visuals here. It's enough if you have, for example, bar chart or a column chart, or in this case here an decomposition tree to analyze things instead, for example, of a tree map. So you don't need to have this one. Instead, you could use the decomposition tree, for example. And yes, so first tip, you need a focus area. What is your goal to show on this page? Okay, next tip. Next tip would be background. Backgrounds are very important. Without a background, most reports don't look like they should look like. So make sure you have a proper background with your logo. You have some areas where you can put in your visuals, and it's very easy to create them. So I know there are so many tools out there, but I prefer PowerPoint. So I open one slide, I create a box on the slide, make it white, and put everything on top. And then I mark it with a CTRL-A and save it as picture. And then, very, very simple, you can click here on the brush, go on canvas background, and then you can put it in here. Don't forget to image fit, and that the transparency is on 100%. So reduce them to 0. Otherwise, you you can't see the background. Okay, second tip, background. Then, the third tip, make sure that you use your colors proper. Means don't use, for example, for spendings, different kind of blue. Only use one kind of blue, dark blue, for example. And don't change it over the pages or on one page even. I saw that a lot. That could be very confusing. So if we go to the original, we can see here, for example, we have total spendings item, and we have total spendings by item again as a pie chart here. And you can see that, okay, in this case, it is the same because of the order. But if we go, for example, here to total spendings, it is orange. And if we go to another area, it would have a different color. So make sure that your colors are the same and you don't change it every time. So let's go back to tip 3. And of course, you can think of to make your visuals a bit more, yeah, how can I say, that you see it on the first glance what is meant. So for example, in this visual, you see that the difference between the current and the previous month is very important because you see that the number is red or green. We could also use icons, for example, an arrow up or down, and so on. Okay, and now let's put everything together, and then we get this wonderful looking page here, report page, and you see we have a background, and on the background the visuals looks very good. So make sure that you have a background. So remember tip 2. And yeah, that's it for today, and I hope it helps. Write me in the comment what you liked or what not, and tell me what is your preferred tip. And yeah, don't forget to come to my live stream in 2 weeks. Power BI report in 1 hour. We will have a live stream and connect data in the web. I will create for that table on my page, and you can also jump right in and do it with me together. So if you like, come and join. And I wish you happy day and have fun with Power BI till the next time.